If you're bored in your life, you have to find the new location. You discover the new location. If you find the new goal, if you're bored in life, set a new dream. And if you're bored in life, set a new type of the accountability in your life. I mean, if you're setting the new goals, new places to discover, go to somewhere to visit, and try to do something innovation, start something from the scratch and start something new. I am author of a book called What's Make People Boring. You can read my books. What's really makes people boring, to understand what actually making you boring each and every single day. You can just try to do something new things every single day, and that's going to make you away from the boredom, and that's going to make you away from the all of these things. That's if you, why boring mainly comes to you, because whatever you are doing, you're doing the same things every single day. So try new goals every day to avoid the boredom.